Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about music player is not working, how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your music player. If it is doesn't open or not playing the songs, then you have to long press this music player, click on app information I button, and here you have to first give all the permissions like notification, music and audio, nearby device, phone. Press back, then you have to go to storage usage, clear the cache of it and clear the data also, and press back. You can see, click on data usage. If it is there, then you have to off the background data, and now it is working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.